Hi Fire Sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. This is your Gemini, your tarot reader. So alamin natin ang iyong love reading, Fire Sign. Ano ang iyong sitwasyon about your love life? Just a reminder, Fire Sign, this is a general reading, so this may or may not resonate with you, so don't take it personally. This is just a guide, Fire Sign. Ang iyong main energy about your love life. You have a clock and golden mirror. A clock is need time, takes time, in time, cycles, time to heal, progress. And the golden mirror, self-absorbed, narcissist, one-sided relationship, and love bombing. Alamin natin ang connection ng two energies or two main energy mo, Fire Sign. Alamin natin kung ano ang connection nito sa iyong sitwasyon. Fire Sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Give me your energy. Fire Sign. You have Death. Four of Swords and King of Pentacles. So there's an air sign involved sa iyong energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. There's an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So need time, takes time. 'Di ba? Siguro meron kang matagal nang inaantay to happen na mangyari na sa buhay mo, or maaring there's a time or sa moment ng relationship mo na there's something to heal sa iyong relationship. Maaring there's a moving on or there's a new beginning in your life. You've given so much love with your person. That's why parang it's time for you to heal yourself. Takes time. Diba? Tignan natin ang golden mirror. Six of Wands. Six of Cups. Nine of Swords. So there's a fire sign involved, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, a water sign with cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. One-sided relationship. Siguro sa relationship mo with this person, nakikita ko na ito ay past person, ex mo, or maybe childhood friend na mahal mo. Tingin ko parang makasarili siya. So parang ikaw naiwan dahil mas priority niya yung career niya. This is something na siguro na nagdala sa'yo ng so much pain kasi mahal mo siya pero hindi niya mabigay sa'yo yung time. Hindi ka niya priority. Kaya you have this self-absorbed, one-sided relationship kasi tingin mo, ikaw lang yung nagmamahal sa inyo. And I'm seeing here, you have to heal yourself. Try to contemplate. Yung person mo, maybe, hindi ipa-priority ang love life. Siguro, ganun talaga ang buhay. Ang tangi mo na lang magagawa is to move on from that kind of relationship. Kasi, lagi mo siyang iniisip. Bakit ganun? Parang ikaw lang yung nagmamahal sa relasyon nyo. Parang ikaw lang yung nagbibigay ng time and effort sa taong mahal mo. Maaaring nawalan na kayo ng connection because of that. Kahit mag-reach out ka, wala pa rin nangyayari kasi nga nakafocus siya sa kanyang career. You have Six of Wands. Lahat ng attention nasa kanya. Ang tangi ko na lang maibibigay sa'yo, fire sign, is to move on. Diba? Have time for yourself. Need time. Takes time. Kasi kaysa ilaan mo ang panahon at oras mo sa taong hindi ikaw yung priority, masasayang lang ang oras mo. But try to find ways na kung saan mag-grow ka. Try to have this kind of energy na love yourself. Fire sign. You have the Chariot. A strong Cancer energy. The Hierophant. A strong Taurus energy. And the Ten of Cups. Fire sign, you have to move on. You have to take action. Kung tingin mo kayo ang meant for each other, find ways na may mapagkaabalahan ka, di ba? Hayaan mo muna na i-take niya yung time niya, yung panahon niya sa sarili niya. Siguro yun ang nais niya. When the right time comes, kung talagang meant kayo for each other, babalik ang landas nyo at magiging masaya ang buhay nyo. Pero kung hindi kayo meant for each other, that's it. Just move on. Diba? Find your happiness with someone na deserve mo. Yung someone na ibibigay sa'yo yung time, ikaw yung priority niya, kaysa naman sa taong hindi ka pinapahalagahan. This is something na kailangan mo i-consider. Kailangan mong pag-isipan kasi ikaw lang yung nasasaktan. Ang tanging gusto mo lang naman bigyan ng panahon at oras ng taong mahal mo. Kung hindi niya ito maibigay sa'yo, then let it go. Move on with your life. Maghanap ka ng mapagkakaabalahan mo. And maybe time to heal. Diba? Take a moment, take a pause for you to heal those pain na naidulot ng person mo. Alamin natin ang advice ng angel guide para sa iyong energy. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Ano ang maibibigay na energy ng angel guide? Fire sign. Give me some energy for fire sign. Fire sign, you have here, get more information. Diba? Tingnan mo rin. Try to consider. Pag-aralan mo rin kung talagang desidido ka na to move on sa relationship mo, sa past relationship mo, then go ahead. Pero kung talaga may feelings ka pa sa kanya and you can work out kung ano yung relationship nyo, maayos nyo pa, then get more information about it. There's abundance, there's success in your life. There's a new opportunity if you just take action. And a year from now, there's a duration. A year from now, you will find happiness that you deserve. Fire sign, don't give up. Kasi kung talagang hindi kayo for each other, then ganun talaga, yun ang destiny. Maaaring may nakalaan pa sa'yo na deserve mo. Tingnan natin ang may bibigay ng oracle for fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Show the world the real you. Diba? You deserve better. So, pakita mo kung ano yung deserve mo. Hindi yung nandyan ka sa energy na parang takot, hirap, daming iniisip. Kasi hindi ka priority ng taong mahal mo. Wag ka mag-focus sa negative energy. Kung hindi ka priority, then find ways na may mapagkaabalahan ka. Di ba? Huwag mong sayangin ang panahon ng oras mo sa taong hindi nakikita ang kahalagahan mo. You are good enough, fire sign. You deserve better. Someone na magpaparealize sa'yo how much this person loves you. Someone na ipaprioritize ka. And expect powerful change. If you will decide kung anong gagawin mo sa relationship mo, Expect powerful change in your life. So hopefully may makuha ka na energy sa iyong sitwasyon, para sa iyong sitwasyon. Thank you, Fire Sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, Fire Sign.